Thank you for watching this channel. My name is Raul Velasquez, the eviction guy. What I'd like to talk about today is one of the most common or known reasons to evict a tenant in California. It's called a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. You got to be careful when you prepare this notice properly. We've had many clients that come to our services because the notice they prepared had errors in them. And this notice is really important because if it's defective, if it has any problems or anything that is not supposed to be there or missing information, it might make it defective, meaning that it's wrong. And if your tenant files an answer to the eviction and you end up at trial, you may lose and have to start all over again. So let's talk about the main things about the notice. Number one, the title is called a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. Make sure it's properly titled. Also, you have to have the name of your name if you're the owner, or your company's name if it's an LLC, and also your tenant's name. Make sure that's all clearly labeled. The second thing it has to have is the amount of rent that is due. Make sure you don't add any late fees and the time. Let's say December or or November, whenever your tenant is delinquent. After that due date, let's say that rent is due on the 1st and you had a 3 days grace period. So on the 4th or the 5th, you're serving this notice. Make sure you only include rent, not late fees, not anything else, not utilities, because if you do add anything else, it will make your notice defective, wrong, and you have problems if your case goes to trial. You may have to dismiss and start all over again. The other thing that you want to have is a place where to pay the rent. It has to be clearly posted where your tenant is supposed to pay your rent, and also the mailing address where to pay your rent. And lastly, you have to attach a proof of service when you file this with the court. One tip that's really important in that notice is that make sure that your notice has the language or verbiage that says the 3 days, it says within 3 days, excluding Saturday, Sundays, and judicial holidays. That's really important in California because if you don't have that verbiage in your notice and your case goes to trial, that lacking that verbiage and that information it's going to make your notice effective and you have to dismiss and start all over again. So call us if you have any questions. We have a toll-free number, is 1-866-410-2727, and we can help you if you have any questions. Thank you.